In the seat stand, let's go!
What's poppin', y'all? We outside. First day back. We outside with your boy MotoBroo.
Let's go! Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Lives, aka MotoBroo, and as you can see, we got some killers out here. We got the GasGas dirt bike, which is freaking gnarly, and yeah, we got the gang outside. So let's see the work. 2 YZ450s out here. Ooh! In the seat stand, let's go! You gotta hop on the seat. Yo! No, hey! Soon! What's goody?
What's the race in a minute?
Let's race, bro.
Fun race.
Yeah, bro. Nah, $100. Oh, you got a whole shot device? Yeah.
Yeah, dig or roll?
The dig. I want to see that shit. Alright. Sheesh. That bit fast. God damn. Oh, we're killing it. We got Marines. I don't even know how to say her name, bro. Marines. Shoo! She killing it though on that 700. Hey, your brakes are fine. It makes that noise, right? It's like. Oh, it's not the pads.
No, it's not the brake. It's
the chain. Oh, okay.
It's something that is missing or something like that.
Yeah, it's like a weird. It's like. Yeah. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't the brake. Of course. Let's see a little work. Bro, this is the guy whose KX was leaking oil like crazy. It literally was leaking oil like a 2-stroke. Oh my god, he got way better, Dad. Hey, you're looking way more comfy. Way more. She's still leaking oil or no?
What? I got the tube.
Hold on.
2-stroke setup.
You got the 2-stroke setup still?
I just rather.
Oh, you.
Yeah, I run that rather than be sorry, bro.
It's better than having a cup. Yeah, or like the.
It would like leak all on the frame and.
Bro, it's been a minute.
I just got to Orlando and I'm like, let me hit up Lars and you haven't answered my shit.
On what?
On Instagram.
Ah.
You recording right now?
Is it red?
Right now?
Is it red?
Yeah.
Yeah, say some shit.
What's poppin', y'all? We outside. First day back. We outside with your boy MotoBroo.
Let's go! That's that 450. Oh boy, getting it, dude. That bit's sick. I ain't gonna lie, bro. He be shredding that quad. And like, I seen him when he first got that quad, bro. Like a year later, he pretty much got that a year ago. You've had that bike for a year now, right?
Yeah, a year.
It's crazy how good you gotten in a year, bro. Insane. When you went back, it flew out. I know. Yo, he got speakers on the top. No way. Woo! Do those? Does that speaker work? Ah, that's dope. That's dope, bro. Yes. Oh, it's portable?
Yeah, it's waterproof and all. It belongs on a jet ski.
Ah. Jamming out while riding. Hey, that's dope, bro. Can you do any wheelies? Can you do wheelies or no? Yeah, a little bit. Let me see, look for the camera. Yeah, let's see a little something. On the GasGas, that's a 450 GasGas. I'm gonna try that out. Yo, look at the lot right now, bro. It's getting busy. Huh? I could try it. Huh? Yeah, but be careful. All right, I'm on the GasGas 450, and we're about to vibe out. Go, go, go. Woo! Yo, the GasGas feels nice. To be honest, every bike I ride feels good. The scariest feeling, letting someone else ride my bike, dog. Oh my god, it's so scary, dude. Woo! Yo, he's scaring me, dude. He was telling me he learned a new combo earlier. No, go, go. He was telling me he learned a new combo earlier. I want to see if I can catch it. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Let's go! How you doing? DRZ gang out here, you know. You got a little wheelie on that? Let's see, let's see. You already know I freaking rock with my DRZ gang. Okay! DRZ gang strong out here today. Bro, that's what we grew up on, bro. We grew up on that goddamn bike right there. And we got another one coming in. Hey, you got no hands or no? You learned no hands or no? Yeah. You can do everything else, but not no hands. That boy crazy. That 450R hits though. That BB hitting different. You don't too much power for him?
That's what I asked him. I was like, is it too much?
Yeah.
Is it too torquey?
I can't fit under there. Hey, you could do it out of that one. I got no kickstand on my bed. I'm about to test out homie's Grom. Said it's bogging out. What is he talking about? This thing wheelies. He was saying it doesn't. That's what I was saying, man. You getting more comfortable on that thing?
Yeah, I just never get a chance to ride it.
Yeah, fully, yeah. Hey, let's get. We got knee pads on. Hey, safety first, bro. You should probably wear a full face too. You got the knee pads on, so you know he's ready. You know he's ready for battle. You got it though. His knee's about to come off the seat, dog. Alright, gang, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. He just freaking scraped that hoe. Stay motivated. We have merch in the description down below. I freaking love you. Until next time, peace.